guys, my name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. We're here back in the bathroom because we're giving you a 2-for-1 tutorial so that you guys can be slaying at your Glamsgiving dinner. Yes, I renamed it Glamsgiving because you guys are going to be glamorous and fabulous and all the good synonyms that comes with whatever it is that you look like, because you're gonna be looking good. Okay, today we're gonna give you this nice sleek ponytail with two little, your little things right here. And then we're gonna give you this skin finish, super cute, very rosy, very on season eyeshadow slash makeup look. So if you guys wanna see all of this and how it all comes together, stay tuned. The first part is almost exactly like my low bun tutorial, so I'm going to link that in the description and in the cards. I'm using the Eco Styler olive oil gel and the Thank Me Later edge gel to whip these edges into submission. I'm going to lay them down with my little edge brush and put a head tie on them so that they can hold while we do our makeup. So now we're going to do the makeup portion, and this is going to be, well, I'm hoping it's going to be super quick. In my mind it's going to be super quick, but who really knows for sure. First things first, we are going to get into these eyebrows, okay? We're using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in the shade Ebony. Alright, now I'm gonna clean it up with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. Cleaning up the top of my brows with the NYX Got You Covered concealer in the shade Golden Deep. No, just Deep. So we're not gonna be using foundation today because I want you to look like simple and beautiful and soft, like you tried but you didn't try too hard, like you just like woke up and decided to put your hair in like a little Sade ponytail and just put on a little bit of lipstick and a little bit of eyeshadow, some lashes, and go about your business. So I'm just going to take the rest of this concealer and just like go under my eyes and all around, like for my dark spots. So right there, over here somewhere, this one. Just gonna blend everything out with my Nime Beauty sponge. My Nime Beauty sponge. Alright, so next we have my concealer from NARS, the Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel. We're going to just put a little bit under the eyes to brighten it up, the high points of our face. I'm gonna blend it out with the Nime sponge again. So we're gonna take the Fenty Pro Filter powder in the shade Honey, and we're going to set everything that we just put down as well as the rest of our face so that we have a nice, coverage. Here comes the part that like, oh, I just laid my hair, I just laid my edges, I can't take off my head tie. But the good thing about the Thank Me Later gel is that once it's down, at least for like 10 minutes, you should be good enough to like take your head tie off. Because what we don't want, like you see right there, we don't want this part of my head to be a different color than the rest of my face. So I'm gonna take this off and move it back a little bit so that we can still continue to, lay at least the back part of the hair. But we really want this part of our head to match the rest. Like we don't want to look like Neapolitan ice cream. So now I'm going to take up this Patricia Bright palette in the shades You Are Gold, and I'm going to use the contour shade in here as bronzer. It's going to warm my face right back up. So you see how I'm looking a little ghastly? That's not going to stay like that. This is gonna be like, it's not like a no makeup, it's more like a medium makeup, slight makeup, like just concealer and some eyelashes. maybe, you know. So now I'm taking up the Dusk Till Dawn palette, and I'm going to use the contour shade in here to just like chisel out these cheeks, but not for real, just a little bit. We just want a little something extra. Yeah. I went off my diet this week because I've been really hungry, so I need a little bit of extra contour today. The next step is for blush, because you know we love a good blush on this channel. I'm picking up the Colored Rain and Power Highlight and Blush Duo. The duo's name is My Day One. I'm just gonna pick it up on this fluffy powder brush, and I'm just going to kind of let's get some blush on this cheek. Look how pretty. Look how pretty this is. Delicious. Delicious. Just look rosy. I'm gonna take this highlighter here and just put that on the high points of my face so that we look, you know, shiny. Skin-like finish. Hello. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. It looks like skin because it is just skin. They're gonna be like, oh, all you did is put on some eyeshadow and some lipstick. You're gonna be like, yes, that's exactly what I did. There's nothing on my face. I just naturally glow like this. I'm just rosy like this because, you know, like I eat vegetables and I exercise and stuff. So this is the Colored Rain and Power 9-pan shadow palette. So I'm gonna start off with Deception, which is this one right here. And obviously, guys, you know, you don't have to use this palette. Any berry color that you have in your arsenal should work fine, or any other color you have. If you have browns, if you have like oranges, just as long as you stick monochromatic, that's what we're gonna do here because it's gonna be something really easy. We're gonna take Snitch. We're gonna put that directly on the lid, up into the crease, on the lid. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's it. That's it. It's not all we're gonna do. We're gonna do something else. But that's most of what we're doing. And Colored Rain shadows are like super pigmented, so you really don't even need to like push down into the pan that much. See, look at that. Look at that. So I'm gonna pick up Respect, which is this duochrome purple right here. It looks silver, it also looks plum, it looks like everything basically. I'm just going to throw that over, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Throw this over the lid, just all over. It doesn't even matter where it goes, just put it everywhere. Put it everywhere, okay? And then, because I want to be extra, I'm gonna put a little bit of Legacy in the inner corner. I'm going to be putting on the Nime Beauty Nicole lashes. I lined my lips with Chestnut. We are going to put on Honey by ABH lipstick. Then we are going to open up our Fenty Beauty, I don't know what this is called, but the lip thing sampler, the thing samplers, and we're going to take out Hot Chocolate. That is sticky. I haven't even used this. We're gonna put that on top of this. Yes, I like that. All right, so now we're gonna switch back to the hair and, you know, see how everything turned out all together, okay? Okay, so we took off the head tie. This is how we're looking. This is how we're laid right now as of this moment. I have me this pre-stretched 26-inch braid. I thought 26-inch would be good. I didn't think I needed any more than 26 inches. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little hair tie. I'm going to fold it under the hair, and I'm going to make like a little loop by pulling it through one another. So I crossed it under, crossed it over, and just pulled it through like this. All right, that is perfect. That's exactly what we want. So I took the little thing out. I'm going to unleash the dragon. I'm going to put this around my hair, all right? So now I'm gonna take this hair and I'm gonna mix it with my hair. So I'm gonna take this and I'm going to braid my hair and this connect-a-line down kind of turn it so that your hair is always going to be under. That way you can camouflage it a little bit better. Okay, so when you get to about right here, I'm going to take a piece of hair, look for the longest piece you have, and then you're going to keep this separate from everything else. I'm going to take a rubber band, right? Just a tiny little rubber band. And then you're going to put it around everything except that piece that you took out, because we're going to secure this braid. And it's not going to come out, okay? We want it to stay in, at least for a day, so that I can look cute outside, okay? Not with my dusty braids. They served their purpose, but they was looking dusty. So now I'm taking this piece that I separated, and I'm going to just wrap it around the bottom of the hair, just like in a nice little thing. And then it just kind of stays like this. As long as you don't like maneuver too much, you can even take some more from down here, little pieces to just like wrap around it to make it extra secure. But as long as you don't maneuver it too much, it should stay, okay? So we're gonna do that. So that's your braid. I mean, and this part up here is going to look crazy. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little extra piece of hair that you took from another pack or you left in from that pack that you was just braiding. Now I'm going to make it a little bit flat. So you see how it's flat like this? I'm going to take this part and wrap it around the top of the braid up here where you started braiding, so that that part is covered and it is, I don't know what the word for it is, but you want it to be covered so that nobody can see all of the things that went into getting this braid on. And if you need more, just wrap some more over it and you should be good. All right, and so that is your thing. And then you have your little Sade ponytail. All right, so this is the finished look. I know this video was a little bit longer, but we did hair and makeup, so it's like 2 tutorials in one. Anyway, this is like super cute. You can go to your Thanksgiving dinner looking like put together, but not like you tried too hard. That is my perfect type of glam. Like, I love glam, but I love it when you can just like get up and look like refreshed, like you didn't really put too much makeup on, but you know, you actually did quite a bit. You know, just have your little eyeshadow on, a little lip gloss and highlight and blush, and with your little Sade ponytail looking like the sweetest taboo, you know, you're just looking cute. This is my perfect Thanksgiving look, especially if I'm just like going downstairs to the living room or the dining room or whatever. I love it when a look comes together like this. So if you like this video, please be sure that you give me a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Right now we're at 912. That means we have 88 more people and we get to 1,000, and we can do it in a month, guys. I know we can do it in a month. So just make sure you subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, tell your mommy, your daddy, your uncle, your auntie, your cousins, your granddad, your grandma, everybody. Just tell them all to subscribe. Even if you have like more than one like channel or more than one account, subscribe to that one too. Just do that. Once you subscribe, be sure to click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam fam and know exactly when I upload. Do not forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.